In a serene library, patrons sit quietly immersed in their books. Suddenly, an unexpected sneeze echoes, disrupting the silence. As everyone turns in disbelief, another sneeze follows, then another, cascading into an uncontrollable sneezing symphony. Each sneeze grows theatrically louder, drawing astonished looks and stifled giggles from the crowd. Just when it seems to stop, a roar of laughter bursts as someone recognizes the sneezing culprit behind a nearby shelf, a mischievous friend holding a sneezing powder bottle with an innocent grin. The chaos ends with a playful chase around the library, sending books tumbling as the chase turns into a comic dance. Patrons can't help but join in the laughter, appreciating the unexpected comedic twist to their quiet day.